How much should you spend on a home theater system? This advice is for beginners looking to set up their home theater system. If you're considering purchasing a home theater system, keep this in mind. How much is an appropriate budget for your audio equipment? In this discussion, we will focus solely on the audio equipments of a home theater system, excluding TVs, projectors, and acoustic treatments. Some people think you can establish a system for a few $1,000s, while others believe that it may require hundreds of thousands. Furthermore, it is easy to go beyond $1 million. So, how should you arrange your budget to be reasonable? Don't worry, we'll break this down for you today. The budget for a home theater can be categorized into 3 levels. First, the entry-level system, with a budget of $2,000 to $3,000. This system is ideal for those looking to experience a home theater effect without making a large investment. For this price range, you can purchase an entry-level 5.1-channel home theater system, which includes an AV receiver, 5 small speakers, and a subwoofer. While the sound quality may not be overwhelmingly impressive, it still provides a basic surround sound experience that is suitable for small rooms and limited spaces. Second, the mid-level system. This budget ranges from $3,000 to $10,000. This segment is ideal for those who seek cost-effectiveness combined with balanced performance. A system with Dolby Atmos capabilities, either in a 5.1, 2, or 7.1.2 configuration, will generally meet most people's needs. With this budget, you can invest in a high-quality AV receiver, an independent power amplifier, home theater speakers with excellent sound quality, and a more powerful subwoofer. You'll be able to enjoy the latest Dolby Atmos experience, featuring clear sound and strong bass, perfect for watching movies and listening to music. The viewing experience is best in spaces ranging from 215 to 430 square feet. Third, the high-end level system. The budget for this home theater setup generally starts at over $10,000 and can range into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. This system is best suited for friends who have better financial resources. You can opt for a high-end split Dolby Atmos 7.2.4 or 9.4.6 home theater system, which includes the high-end AV receiver, the high-end power amplifier, and flagship speakers, with professional and precise sound tuning. This setup will deliver an audio experience that surpasses that of a traditional theater. For a truly immersive experience, every sound detail in the movie will be heard clearly. Each explosion and low-frequency vibration will make you feel the floor shaking. This level of audio quality is ideal for large open spaces or dedicated home theater rooms. Additionally, this high-end system offers exceptional sound restoration, making it especially suitable for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts who prioritize premium sound quality. Here are 3 additional points to consider. 1. The size of your space sets the maximum limit for your investment. Using large equipment in a small area may not yield the best sound quality. 2. Clarify your purpose for the setup. If your primary goal is to watch movies, the quality of the subwoofer is crucial. However, if you want to consider both music and movies, the quality of the front left and right channel speakers becomes even more critical. 3. Upgrade gradually. Avoid attempting to achieve the top configuration all at once. Invest in stages, upgrading gradually to build your ideal home theater. Make sure to choose options that fit your personal needs and budget. It's all about what works best for you. That's all for this time. We hope you have a great time. Welcome to our Aperion University series. Here, we will introduce you to basic acoustics knowledge. We hope it will help you. If you like it, please follow us.